Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pamela. If you're new here, welcome. I make videos of hair, beauty, mom life type of videos. So if you're interested in knowing whatever I do or anything like that about hair or beauty, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make myself look like this in like a few minutes on the go. So if you'd like to see how I do all this, my makeup. So you guys, I usually use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, so I'm just gonna place that on the places where I break out a lot. I just put that, and then I take my brush, the usual brush, the normal brush that I usually use, and then start blending the foundation. So next, I'm gonna take my Profusion palette with the color that I'm showing you in the video, and that is my favorite color. Like, that's what I've been using so far. I just take that in a little amount and just put that on the crease and then blend. The reason why I use this color is it's close to the natural look, but with a little bit of color in there, like the pink color. So I just like using that color, and then I blend it out like you see, and it actually looks natural. So using the elf liner, I just put that on the eyes just to make a little bit of a wing. I keep forgetting these things. Just to put a little bit of a wing like you see, and you can actually see the shadow. You can actually see that it's blending really good. I love it. So just wing the other eye as well, and then just gonna get straight into the waterline. So for my waterline, I'm gonna be using the NYC black liner. Just put that on the waterline, and just a little bit this side and a little bit the other side. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline mascara just for my eyes, just to have a little bit, you know, just the eyes to have a little bit of pop, you know what I'm saying. It's just the regular stuff, the same things that I use, but this time I'm showing you in a different way. You just gotta use what you got, girl. I'm gonna use this LA Girl cosmetics blush. Just put it on my cheeks just to have a little bit of peachy finish, like a little bit of peachy pinkish. So from the same LA Girl palette, I just took the darkest color just to make like a little bit of contour over there, like so. And just I'm gonna go ahead with that on top of my hairline, and just gonna blend that and push it towards, like going up, just to have it angled. I just blend that out, and then I went ahead with the regular brown eyeliner and just lined my lips, and then I'm gonna go ahead with NYX lip liner. I love this one because it's a nude color, it's close to my skin. We want to look good, but then at the same time we want to look like have a little bit of natural in there. You get what I'm saying? So you guys, this is the final look. I did my hair off camera this time, except I didn't use the gel. I just put it up, put a hairpiece, and voila, final look. What do you guys think about this makeup, this everyday makeup routine? Let me know what you think in the description box down below. And yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you thumbs up the video if you do like it. Comment down below what you think, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.